After shooting a video with your Android smartphone, you may need to edit it for better quality and make it more fantastic. In this video, we will introduce two kinds of ways to edit videos shot by your Android phone. Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9to5software.com. Here we'll look at some of the best video editor for Android currently available on the market, and also include further options to consider. Check out the links in the description to get a free trial and a discount to the applications we look at. Before further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 3, we have Adobe Premiere Rush. Adobe Premiere Rush is one of the best free video editing apps for Android without watermark that enables you to edit any video right from your Android device quickly. It is fast and fun to use. Adobe calls this app designed specifically for online video creators. What this means is that the app knows the specific video adjustments you will require for social media platforms. Naturally, the video can be shared on multiple social media sites through the app. Apart from the standard video editing functions, you can apply video effects, change color, create pan and zoom effects, add custom-made animated titles and more. It has built-in camera functionality to capture high-quality videos. The Android app also features audio tools for sound balancing and auto-ducking. The best part, however, is that you can have multiple video tracks to smoothen your workflow. It is free to download and doesn't display any ads. Moving on at number 2, we have FilmoraGo. It is a remarkable Android video editor app that is liked by many users. All the primary functions like trimming, cutting, adding themes, music, etc. can be easily performed. You can also make 1:1 square videos for Instagram, 16:9 videos for YouTube, create reverse videos, add transitions, slow motion, texts, and many more. Keep in mind that FilmoraGo has some in-application purchases, but most of its fantastic features are available for free. You can either save the videos directly in your gallery or share them straight to social media. Videos edited in the free version have a watermark at the end of the video. On top of our list, at number 1, we have Movavi Video Editor Plus. Movavi's Video Editor Plus is a powerful desktop video editor that offers both manual and automatic creation modes. You can edit to your heart's content or craft a carefully themed video in as little as 5 steps. The app includes plenty of transition options and even the ability to edit your audio. Movavi also offers a chroma key effect, which is an essential tool when you start the editing process. If you prefer to edit on the go, you'll want to download Movavi Clips, which combines plenty of the control you need with a smooth drag and drop format. Movavi Clips even allows for high-quality 1080p exports to complement the extensive list of Video Editor Plus options.